Hello friends, welcome to Wi-Fi Learning Resource, your source for comprehensive learning and practice together. Our mission from this channel to providing valuable information, learning, practice and lessons in library professionals field and various other fields. We are focused from this channel on learning, practice, education, resources, informative blogs, home kitchen recipes, and competitive exam preparation. Wi-Fi learning platform is your source for learning everything that provide valuable lessons, PYQ practice, and information on library professionalism, basic computer knowledge, and various other home kitchen food recipes field or subject to enhance your learning experience. Here we are committed to delivering comprehensive digital content to all students, professionals, travelers, and offering invaluable information resources. It is a digital platform or online repository where individual can access learning resources such as videos, tutorials, documents, and interactive content using device connecting to Wi-Fi network. List of covered areas uh, such as UGC NET, JRF Library Science, PhDs, related information, DSSSB Librarian, NVS related information, RPSC Librarian Grade 2nd, 3rd, RSSSB Librarian Grade 3rd, MPPSC Librarians related information, eligibility criteria, exam patterns, and syllabus related information. We also cover some PYQ general paper practice sessions and PYQ subject specific practice session. Mock test, quiz, PYQ practice, notification related to library professional vacancies and other informative details we also covered in this section. Special features like we covered some library professional personal experience interview questions asked in prestigious institutions like IIT Indore, IIT Gandhinagar, IIM Ahmedabad, NGT New Delhi, RBI Mumbai, MDI Gurgaon, NCRT, etc. We provide short tricks for effective learning and practice also. I hope you like this channel Wi-Fi learning resource. Please share, support and subscribe. If you have any queries, suggestions or feedback, please feel free to comment or email us or Wi-Fi learning resource @ gmail.com. Thank you for watching this channel Wi-Fi learning resource. Thank you.